everyone, I hope you're doing well. I have another unboxing video for you today. You really liked the other one, so I'm gonna keep making these and I'm gonna create a playlist so it's easy to find. This is another order that I just received on the Inspired Go salads. I'm gonna go through each salad, give my review if I've tried it or not, tell you about the company and stuff like that. And this is non-sponsored. This is my honest opinion, and I've been subscribed to this salad delivery service about 2 years now, every 2 weeks or so. So these are the salads. They come in these little containers. You can see how fresh they are. They're natural ingredients. There's homemade salad dressing in it. And really there's nothing that compares. It just is so fresh, so good. It arrives just to your door. It's in this container. You can just grab it and take it to work. This one's one of the new salads. This Sweet Market salad, it's got like beets and cranberries and feta and stuff like that in it. This one's delicious. I've already tried this one. It's really fresh. Love it. This one is new. It's the dill pickle pasta salad with orzo under it. I haven't tried this one yet, but I do like the ingredients in it. And I also like orzo. And I like when they include pasta or noodles or chickpeas or whatever into these because it makes them very heavy. And then they're like a full meal. I've had nothing but good things to say about these salads throughout the years of being subscribed to them. If something was wrong or I got the wrong salad or whatever, they have really good customer service. Things always arrive fresh. And as soon as you get these salads, dive into it the first day because that's when they're the best, but they do last 5 or 6 or 7 days. They all say on the label usually. This one is my ultimate favorite. I just ate this before filming. I got too hungry. I was gonna like unbox it and eat it for you, but I was way too hungry. This is the fresh noodle salad. I got, as you guys can tell, I love this one. As you may have noticed here, I love this one. I have 2 of them here and I just ate one for lunch. This salad is one of my favorites, to be honest. If you like Asian food, Thai food, it's got that kind of feel to it. It has like a peanut, or it has kind of like an Asian dressing to it. It's really delicious. The edamame is so good and the noodles are fresh and it just gives a nice kick to the salad. And this one, it comes with like black sesame seeds and normal sesame seeds and it's just delicious. And I order this one multiple every time I order because I really love it. And I find it super filling with the noodles. Next is the Cheeky Tzatziki salad. I've tried this one before. I just added it to my order again. It's really filling with the chickpeas, so I love that. And it's got like a lemon dill taste to it. It's really yummy. And I just love how filling it is with the chickpeas. And then this one's new, haven't tried it yet. It's Easy Peasy, it's called, and this is what it looks like here. And this one has got like peas in it. It's very fresh. And what I love about Inspired Go as well is they use ingredients that are in season. So like in summer, you'll get like watermelon salads, peach salads. In winter, you'll get like beets and squash and stuff like that in fall. So I just love that it's forever changing. I think that's why I've been subscribed to it for so long, is it just makes meals fast, easy, healthy, and I love salad, but I hate making it. I don't know why. I think it's because you can't really make a big batch of salad and have it. I think it's because you can't really make a big batch of salad and have it multiple servings, like it gets soggy and stuff. So salad's just not something I like to prepare myself, but I love to eat it. And I also love how convenient this is on the go. And I'll continue with these unboxings as long as you guys like it. Let me know by liking and commenting. And let me know what salads you love from this company. Thank you. Bye, guys.